All the information stated in the video is for educational purposes only. Viewers are recommended to maintain discretion. The channel shall not be liable for any misuse of the information provided in this video. The channel will also not be responsible for any loss made by the viewers for misinterpreting the contents provided in this video.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to make a software which automatically tweets, likes, and retweets for us, which will make you gain instant followers, likes and retweets for your tweets, or retweets, on a specific hashtag. We're going to use Python language and its two of the most popular libraries. One is Kinter, and the other one is TweetPy. Kinter comes along with Python itself, but, to install TweetPy, you'll have to install it via command prompt, or shell. You can visit PyPy website to get more about TweetPy and other Python libraries. So, first of all, let us get a quick roadmap to what actually we're going to do. The project is divided in mainly 3 parts. 1. UI. 2. Coding. 3. Testing. First things first, we will have to set up a definite location for the project file, and it's all assets we are going to use. Now, using Photoshop, we have to create assets like background image, buttons and stuffs like that. So, I've made the background and few buttons for the project. Now, it's the time to move towards the coding part. In coding, we have to divide it into 2 different segments. That is, front end and back end. Kinter is so useful for Python users that it allows us to design both front end and back end. First of all, we have to take care of how we structure our software to function. Before starting to make all the arrangements in UI, I separated all the labels, buttons and backgrounds, and then placed on their position, with changing their X and Y coordinates. Similarly, I've designed 8 more Windows UI. In my case, I kept a welcome page first, then an access gaining page through API keys, and finally choosing options for what we are here to do. Likewise, you may change the order by replacing the welcome page with access gaining page, or stuff like that. For designing the backend, we have to use the same script, and write the backend snippet on the same script. One unique feature we must take care of is, we should not distinguish between the global and the local variables while using Kinter. Also, here is no parameter required while defining a function to function the software. And the algorithm should be inside the function. Now, to design the backend, we just defined functions and put our code snippets in between them. To make a person access to the main page, we first took their API key, the secret API key, the API token and the secret API token. We can get the API keys by registering a Twitter developer account, and then apply for an app. Then, using the TweetPy library, we verified the user using his API keys, and then allowed him to access the main window. After accessing to the main window, we put different options for our user. Each option they choose will allow them doing different tasks like tweet, retweet, and like tweets made on a specific hashtag. The tweet option will lead you to another window where they have to write their tweet, and then a pop-up message will display after the completion of the process. The retweet button will lead you to two more windows. The first window will let you decide how many retweets you want. A range of number will be given, so that you don't exceed the Twitter daily limit. And the second window will lead you to decide tweets of which hashtags you want to retweet. So, on that note, let's end this video and make sure to check the description.